Hey guys, this is Isaac and I just got back from Toys R Us where I found this awesome race car set. Here it is. It's a single jump track set and it is made by Geared Up and it's a Ford official licensed product. It comes with a die-cast car, which is right here. I picked white and there are other colors. It comes with track pieces, track connections, a ramp, and a track clamp. There are 6 vehicles you can collect. Looks like I got the 2013 Ford Shelby GT500. Now I'll try and get this open so we can build it. Okay, here's the track clamp. Here are the actual track pieces. There's 1, 2, 3, 5 track pieces. Here's the ramp. The track connectors. The best part is the car. See, there it is. This is a 2013 Ford Shelby GT500. It's a white car with 2 doors and has 2 black racing stripes down the middle. On the sides it says GT500 with stripes and it looks really cool. Man, that looks cool. Now let's start building it. I got this set up now on this tiny table, and this is about 5 feet in length. So let's see how fast this can go. Oh wow, it does pretty good. This set is really fun because the car that it comes with looks awesome. And the ramp, it's smooth so the car can just go straight down and it's really fast. This set is nice because it only comes with a few pieces and they're easy to take on the go. You just take them apart and go. And it only took me 3 minutes to build them, so you can take them to your grandma's house, your friend's house, anywhere you want. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe. See you guys later. Hey guys, we just want to say thank you to everybody who has subscribed to our channel. We now have over 800 subscribers and it's really exciting to see our channel grow. We also want to say thank you to everybody who has liked our videos, shared them, and left a comment because we like interacting with our YouTube followers. And those who haven't subscribed and you like what you see, be sure to click on the subscribe button below. See you guys later.